Hey, this is John of Art, and I'm here at Sitio Maupot. It's a Manobo tribe named after the old name of Magpet. Magpet used to be called Maupot, and the old term is Malotpot, meaning it's a place of gathering. So, like right here, it's they're reenacting a place of gathering of the tribe's people, and where they come together and share their lunch. As you can see, they are eating lunch by hand, rice from banana leaves. So their packed lunch of rice is called LINOPOT. So that's the LINOPOT, and they're sharing their lunch with each other. So it's called a LINOPOT. So right now I'm like a member of the Manobo tribes people and partaking of their lunch. This is LINOPOT. So probably it means wrapped or packed lunch. Lopot in banana leaves. Well, it's interesting because in Ilonggo, our meaning for linopot is like it's it's lopot, like thrown in jail usually, or into some a place of despair. So lupot is not really a nice word for the Ilonggos, especially when somebody is thrown in jail. It means ginlupot or linupot sa prisuhan. Prisuhan is jail, priso, to be incarcerated or jailed. But this one, it's good that in Manobo, linopot means packed lunch in banana leaves. So there they gather together, eat their lunch by hand. So this is rice and this is banana leaves, and this is the linopot. I'm so glad to be here. So this is Joan of Arc here at Sitio Maupot, and see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.